I had always had a slight interest in it, but never really paid much attention to that thought in the back of my head until probably a little over a year and a half ago, I guess. And I was rubbing my sister's feet. We were out of town and she was wearing heels, and I was rubbing her feet for her. And she said to me, you know, you could probably do this professionally. And I was like, oh, okay. And she's like, no, really, I think you should look into it. And when I got back, I started looking into programs, and I was like, you know what, I think I'd really like this. And lo and behold, I did. So it's hard to pick a favorite. I think they're all of them I could say wonderful things about. I loved Gary because he was so gentle. He was like this big, gentle giant. And oscillation was something completely different to me. I'd never even heard of it, and in a way, it was sort of life-changing and very emotional. And then Dr. Morgan, of course, is so skilled technically and knows everything. You can ask him anything you wanted to about anatomy or Swedish or the profession. And he's funny and just extremely knowledgeable and makes you feel really comfortable with what you're doing. Jim Burnson, he's hysterical, has got the fantastic stoic humor, but knows exactly where the muscles are and what you need to do. So they're all very, very different. Oh, and of course Laszlo, I can't forget him. He brought a lot of different knowledge, I think, when we did Jadestone. It was, he has all that experience at Burke Williams, which is really great to hear about because you don't know anything about it, and kind of guided you a little bit more and gave you extra Swedish techniques when we did Jadestone. They're all fantastic in their own right, and it's hard for me to pick one, obviously. Absolutely. I mean, without a doubt, I would recommend it in a heartbeat. It's a fantastic program. A year is not long at all, in my case, as I was only here for a year. And the teachers are phenomenal. The techniques you learn stick with you forever. The sequences they teach you are they feel intuitive, rudimentary, and it was a really enjoyable experience for me. I'll miss it for sure. Yes, inevitably when my friends get together, if I'm sitting on the couch, somebody will make their way and sit right in front of me, and then, you know, because they know that my hands will eventually wander onto their shoulders, and it happens every single time now. They've all told me, you know, when do I get a massage? And I'm like, all you have to do is call me and set up a time. I just want to say I really enjoy my time here. You guys have built a fantastic program, and it's been 85 since 1985, right?
1988.
88, excuse me. You guys have done an exceptional job, especially with the smaller space that you're in. You made a really nice name for yourself. And when I was looking for schools to go to, this one popped up, and there wasn't a lot of information on it, but it seemed to have the most comprehensive program and had all the modalities that I was interested in, and they had the CSP program, which I think was really outstanding. And I'm looking forward to interviewing because I'm sure that will help in the process. So kudos to you and everybody for building a fantastic program.